Hey guys, it's Alex again. I'm gonna do another one of these. This time it's a new phone. It's a Samsung or LG, I think is what it is. It's from Boost, and this is not my phone. This is my sister's phone. She said that I can show you all the time. Here we go. Yeah. So first we have the time of the day, as you can see. I'm gonna slide it this way. It's above. Yeah. She's put above. And so here's the time, and I do this. Like that. And here's her front thing. And she has something like Yuri, but it's really not. And on the side, if you can really see right here, it's all her apps and stuff. Like, if I touch that. See? Hold on. But anyways, it's like, here's her Instagram, Instagram, Instafix, whatever it's called, and all that stuff. And then on, if I slide it this way, you've got Bible, she's really Christian and stuff. So if I slide it this way, we'll have Doobie, Gmail, a lot of stuff, translator, and then Bubbleshoot and everything. And then if I slide it this way, we'll also have a lot of other stuff. So, yeah. So let's go on the other side. And on this side, you'll see a woman. That's kind of like dirty, but it's really not. It's just. Oh, I forgot to do this. It's a simple type phone. A, it's got a front camera right here, right there. You take pictures. You know what a front camera is. Of course, you all do. Yeah, it's a really good phone. It's from Boost, just like this phone is, just like this one. It's not the same phone, but it's just like this. But in a few weeks, I'll update and get an iPhone, and I'll show you what I got on it. So, anyway, back to what I was doing. Over here we got her gallery, her Play Store, and everything. It's a whole bunch of stuff. So if we go down here and touch this part, start going in motion, and then we'll have all her apps that is not on the front page. So she's got games on, she's got a lot of stuff. It's really neat how phones are being today and stuff. So I just wanted to show you all her stuff. And she's got cameras right there. It's right there. It's a little like this. And this is it. All of her stuff. She's got more things over here. And see how it does that? And this is her notification bar. Yeah, my sister's very, very busy. She has a lot of stuff she has to do. So let's go home. And this is just a simple Boost mobile phone. It's got an 18 or 16 gigabyte memory in it. She bought my phone, so yeah. Anyway, yeah, a really good sturdy phone. So it's really good. And then maybe next month, or tomorrow when I get out of school at 4 or 5 actually, because I have to walk home. So I'll probably be on by then. So just leave comments and requests or anything, and I will get back to you on those. So just leave requests and stuff, and I'll be on tomorrow.